Hey guys, we're back here with the newest project to the fleet on our channel. It'll be my wife's toy. It is a 1987 Suzuki Samurai. Sitting on, I can't remember the brand, I'll put in the description of, it's got coil suspension on it. Today I'm going to do a full fluid service, engine, transmission, transfer case, differentials, brake fluid, coolant. Just so I know how everything looks internally. And then my wife is going to start with cleaning the interior and doing a clean and polish of the bodywork and paint. See how it looks. Just the interior, it's in a little bit rough shape. Just needs to be vacuumed out and cleaned so it just has the old car stink. I'm not going to show you all the service stuff. I'm just kind of giving you before, and then we'll give you an after look of the exterior and interior. As you can see, the paint, it's in pretty decent shape. It's a little faded. We're going to find new badges and stuff for it to try to keep it as original as possible. The interior, there's no tears, just kind of dirty seats, wear and tear. The dash is in pretty good shape. It just needs a good once over. So here's kind of the before. We're going to be replacing the top eventually, so we're not going to do much with this other than maybe clean the windows a little bit for visibility while we're driving. And then we're going to find a back seat for it as well. But here's kind of the before, and we'll show you if I find anything major in the oil service. I'll show you that because it'll be something we'll need to tear into more. But mostly I'm just kind of giving you before. I'm going to do all the service while she's doing the interior and exterior. And we will show you the after we're all done. Okay guys, we got we're on day 2 of this Samurai project. I was going to show you where we made progress yesterday and a little bit today. Today was mainly servicing my Razor for our next trip out, but let me show you the Samurai. We gave it a wash, a compound pop buff, a polish, and a wax. If you remember what it looked like before, it shined up amazingly. We took the top off. We got a new one on order. The seats came pretty clean. The interior cleaned up really nicely. The seats, we shampooed them. They're still a little bit dirty, but they're pretty nice. The carpets, they were kind of not salvageable. They had spilled some oil or something on them, and so we're going to order a new carpet kit for it, and a back seat. Can't wait to get it out on the road. All the services went great. Nothing looked too dirty or any heavy metal shavings in it. Yeah, now we just got to go kind of see how she drives. It's a little bit wobbly on the highway. We're a little tall and underpowered. Ideally, because it's sitting on 33s with a little 1.3, but everyone's in love with it, and I think it'll bring us lots of fun and good content. So stay tuned for future updates, and hopefully our first trip out off-roading here shortly.